Hello and thank you for watching this video. This cheap property can be restored, although it's in poor condition. The price does reflect this. Today, let me take you on a peaceful journey through a beautiful corner of rural Bulgaria. A place where time slows down, nature thrives, and life becomes simpler. This is Osikovo village, just a short 20-minute drive from the vibrant market town of Popovo, nestled in the gentle hills of the Targovishta region. And right here in Osikovo, there's a truly charming and incredibly affordable Bulgarian property waiting just for you. From the moment you enter the village, you feel it, the tranquility, the friendliness, the openness of both the land and the people. Osikovo is quiet, clean, and surrounded by the natural beauty of the Bulgarian countryside. It's a place where the air is fresh, where mornings begin with birdsong, and evenings end beneath a sky full of stars. It's a hidden gem, and this property captures everything that makes this village so special. Set on a generous plot of 1,188 square meters, this two-story property offers space, potential, and timeless charm. The garden is lush and green, sprinkled with fruit trees that sway gently in the breeze. It's easy to imagine yourself out here with a morning coffee or a good book, simply enjoying the peace and privacy. The views stretch out across open countryside, and there's a calming sense of space in every direction. Although the property needs some love, its structure is solid and strong. On the ground floor, there's a long corridor that leads to a cozy kitchen, a good-sized room, and an older bathroom. There's also a basement, perfect for storage or for turning into a cool wine cellar or workshop. Upstairs, the wide corridor leads to 3 spacious bedrooms. These rooms enjoy lovely light, and the walls and windows are just waiting for your personal touch. But that's not all. One of the standout features is the big, sturdy garage with a separate room underneath it. This extra space could become a hobby room, a guest studio, or simply a place to keep tools, supplies, and even a second vehicle. It's practical, solid, and adds real value to the property. Elsewhere on the land, there are few old barns. They're in poor condition now, but imagine the possibilities. A summer kitchen, a guest cottage, a shaded sitting area with vines overhead and lavender below. With a little vision, you could create something truly special. The soil is rich, the space is there, and the village lifestyle offers the perfect pace for creativity and comfort. This isn't just a property, it's a chance to slow down, to live more naturally, and to feel truly at home in your surroundings. Whether you're retiring, relocating, or simply seeking a retreat from the busyness of everyday life, this peaceful plot in Osikovo offers a wonderful opportunity. The village itself is a delight. It's quiet and safe, with a warm community of both local Bulgarians and friendly Turkish families. The pace is slow, but never boring. You'll find shops in the village, and just 20 minutes away, Popovo gives you access to everything you need: banks, supermarkets, restaurants, and markets full of fresh local produce. And from Popovo, you're just an hour from Veliko Tarnovo or Ruse, 2 of northern Bulgaria's most beautiful cities. But perhaps the best part of buying this Bulgarian property isn't just the land or the home, it's the support that comes with it. You'll never be alone in the process, thanks to Nyama Problemi Limited, a fully licensed and experienced building and estate management company based in nearby Popovo. Whether you're a European citizen or coming from outside the EU, Nyama Problemi Limited will guide you every step of the way. For EU buyers, the purchase process is direct and simple. For non-EU citizens, owning land usually means setting up a Bulgarian company. But don't let that worry you. Nyama Problemi Limited makes it quick and stress-free. From translation services to notary appointments and even company formation, they've helped hundreds of foreign buyers make their dreams come true. And after the sale, their support continues. Need help with renovation? They are builders. Need someone to pay the bills while you're away? They offer full management. Roof repairs? Done. Garden care? Handled. They can even stock the property before your next visit. That's the kind of trust and long-term relationship they build with you and your property. You can visit their websites at www.bg.house or www.bulgarianproperties.co.uk to learn more, see similar listings, or reach out directly. They are friendly, responsive, and incredibly knowledgeable about this beautiful region of Bulgaria. With over 20 years of experience and a focus on honesty, value, and care, Nyama Problemi Limited is your gateway to rural life without the stress. So imagine it now. Waking up in a sunlit room, picking apples from your own tree, enjoying a slow breakfast in your garden while the village wakes up around you. No traffic, no rush, just space, sky, and time to breathe. Maybe you'll restore the barns into guest houses. Maybe you'll plant more fruit trees, or grow your own vegetables. Or perhaps you'll just enjoy the quiet. This property is not a mansion, but it is a meaningful project. It's affordable, it's authentic, and it offers everything needed to create a peaceful, personal retreat. And with full legal and renovation support from Nyama Problemi Limited, it's never been easier to begin this journey. So, what are you waiting for? We have the keys. You can visit anytime. Contact us through the website or by phone. We'll help you arrange a viewing, provide all the answers, and even guide your travel if needed. Because this isn't just about buying a cheap Bulgarian property. It's about changing your life. For the better, it's about owning something real, something grounded, something peaceful. This is Osikovo, and this might just be your new beginning.